Hi friends, welcome to my culinary expressions. Summer is in and gradually the climate will turn from mild summers to scorching heat. In such times, cool drinks like Jaljira with fresh herbs is a welcome. This drink is the same as Paani Puri water. Drinks such as these not only cool the body but help in digestion and promote appetite as well. Most important, when you make Jaljira at home, you know that there is no compromise on quality and hygiene since safe drinking water is used and spice levels are well under control. Friends, watch this video till the end since I'll be giving suitable options and substitutions for making Jaljira powder as well. If you want to give wings to your culinary passion, do watch more videos on this channel or share the links with your loved ones. Comment or like to let me know whether you're enjoying this channel. Do send in your suggestions because for my culinary expressions, learning never stops. So, happy watching! Now let's get started. Here are the ingredients. 1 walnut-sized ball of tamarind soaked in water, half cup of mint leaves, half cup of coriander leaves, 2 to 3 green chilies depending on how spicy you want, 1 to 2 teaspoons of chopped ginger, 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds that is soft, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds that is jeera, half to 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder, half to 1 teaspoon of black salt or pink salt, half to 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, a pinch of asafoetida that is hing, 1 teaspoon of sugar or honey or sweet imli chutney, 3 to 4 cups of water and some bundi to sprinkle on top. Firstly, we will strain the tamarind water. We will add more water if necessary, around a cup, and then we will pour this tamarind water into a mixing jar and blend it together with a couple of other things, that is mint leaves, coriander leaves, green chilies, ginger, fennel seeds that is soft, the cumin seeds that is jeera. These are all roasted. And then the chaat masala, adjust the quantities as per your taste. Black salt or pink salt, or if you don't have, you could add the normal salt. Then black pepper powder to give it that spiciness, and a pinch of hing. In case you're making gluten-free Jaljira, then you can omit the hing. And water around 2 to 3 cups or a little more. Now here goes the jar of ingredients for blending. This is the blended Jaljira. Nice vibrant color, isn't it? This color comes from the coriander leaves you add. Strain this Jaljira so as to separate the Jaljira extract. You can add more water to squeeze out maximum flavors. It looks so tempting already. I just can't wait to have it. In fact, along with Jaljira, you could also have crispy aloo tikki chaat or dahi vada chaat. You'll enjoy it. Here is our strained Jaljira. For a slight sweet taste and to balance the spicy flavors, I have added homemade sweet imli sauce, or you could even add sugar or honey. You could add the sugar while blending. I have added it at this stage. Now give it a quick stir and keep it in the fridge to chill. You may add some bundi, that is the besan globules, fried besan balls. You'll enjoy this Jaljira when it is cool. or alternatively you could put some ice in a glass and add the Jaljira. Believe me, this cool Jaljira with fresh herbs tastes as good as the street side chaat wala's Paani Puri ka pani. Do not forget to sprinkle the bundi on top. It tastes really great. This Jaljira makes a wonderful appetizing drink or a welcome drink, and it shields you from the heat. It is good for digestion and also helps in weight loss. You could also make a Jaljira mojito by replacing plain water with soda water. And now, as I promised to you in the beginning of this video, here is the recipe for Jaljira premixed powder, whereby the fresh herbs have been substituted with the dry forms. Friends, do make this Jaljira with fresh herbs and enjoy with your family and friends. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And before I sign off, here's a reminder. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching. Very soon I'll be back with another video. Till then, goodbye.